We are Mecky and Fernie. We are navigating America's Great Loop on our 34-foot PDQ Powercat. Join us on our adventures at Time for Act 2. See you soon. Bye-bye Dog River Marina and bye-bye Mobile, Alabama. We are off. Had 2 days over here. Spent 1 day visiting downtown Mobile and enjoyed it quite a bit. So bye-bye Dog River Marina. Can you hear this? They're playing Haircut 100 in the town square. This is Fairhope, Alabama. And I can't believe they're playing Haircut 100. This is freaking awesome. Haircut 100. For reals. Bernie, they're playing Haircut 100.
Yeah, let's go.
He just doesn't care. Bye-bye Fairhope, Alabama. We were here for one night because they told us it was a cute town. And lo and behold, it was a cute town. It's right across the bay from Mobile. So if you're in Mobile, hop over to Fairhope because it's worth at least one night, if not two. Food was real good here too as well. So bye-bye Fairhope. We had a nice afternoon in Fairhope. Here we are back on the ICW and it feels nice. That was a rough crossing there of Mobile Bay, but ICW, here we are back again. Nice intercoastal houses with docks. We're getting back to our neck of the woods here. Ooh, new building, love it. Got some very, very nice housing here with excellent dockage. Orange Beach Marina. Had a great looper gathering at the restaurant. Really was a very, very nice marina. Kind of sad we didn't stay here more days. I would definitely return to this marina. Very nice, and the restaurant was good. Honestly, it was an excellent stop. So if you get a chance, Orange Beach Marina. So bye-bye. Out the Pelicans. It's Pelican City. That's what that is. Look at them. Got to be at least 100 of them there. Just hanging out, getting some sun. Bye-bye, Pelican City. To limbo. Time to limbo. Time to limbo. Yes. We are good. We are good. Off to Floribama. Somewhere. Hey, Fernie, what is that? Because that looks pretty nasty.
This is the raw water inlet filter.
Yeah.
And it looks like it has a lot of crap in here. And that may have been blocking the water inlet flow at high RPMs. It may have been causing our overheating issues. So we'll hopefully clean this up. This is only on the port engine. The starboard engine is perfectly clean. So I don't know what must have happened on this side. I don't know where we got this. But hopefully this is what was causing it.
Okay.
That is an easy issue to resolve. Just clean it.
Nice. And about 3 hours later, we have a defrosted fridge. Yay. Task off the list.